Good day, everyone. My name is Ahmed Jassat, and I would just like to share with you a new utility that I use, which is excellent. So, my topic for today is goodbye top and welcome OraTop. So, I work for a company called Africa Mobile Technologies, and it's a PE company in South Africa. We are 100% Black owned, and we are part of the Edge group of companies. We provide Oracle services, the team that we work in. So we provide DBA services, support services, disaster recovery services, IT infrastructure management. So if any challenges that you have in the IT space, you are welcome to contact us. Okay, and these are the partnerships that we do, and we are an Oracle Gold partner. Okay, so let's get back to my topic, which is goodbye top and welcome to OraTop. Okay, so the question that you may be asking is why OraTop? Well, if you are a junior DBA or someone who is starting in the DBA field and you would like to know what's happening on your database, you have a utility called the Oracle Grid Control or Enterprise Manager, as they name it. But sometimes you're on the server, you're having performance issues, and you want to resolve things quickly, or you want to give that valuable information back to your developers. So the benefits are monitoring of your current database, checking for database performance, and identifying contention and bottlenecks. So first of all, you need to download OraTop, and the note that Oracle has placed is OraTop utility for near real-time monitoring of database rack and single instance. You can use this utility when you have SRs as well. So if you have a P1 SR and you want to show Oracle your performance, I mean, this is an excellent utility to use. All right. So with this example that I'm going to show is that unfortunately I can't show my companies, what's running on the system. So I created a demo on my laptop. So as you can see, when you run a normal top command, it gives you a lot of information. A lot of information for a junior or someone just starting up is, sending screenshots. If I had to ask my junior what's happening on my server, this is the screenshot he would send me back, right? But actually, when you use OraTop, there's nothing running on the database because it shows you that the load, CPU load, it gives you the DB CPU which the database is using, and as you can see, there's nothing using there as well. But what's useful as well is you can quickly, just by using a different type of a T, you can see all your table space information also with OraTop. Right. So now we go to a live demo. So as I told you that if you run the normal top command, it gives you that information. That's what's running on your server. So if your server is sharing with an application server, if your server is sharing with different products, you won't know what's running on your database. So our main goal is to see what's running on your database. So as you can see on the server, there's a lot of Java processes. So there may be an Oracle application server running over there. But now you want to go see what's happening on your database because you have database contention, or maybe a user say database is slow. So on your top command, you'll see a lot of processes running there, but you see the CPU is idle. You can see the memory there is being used there as well. But now we use OraTop. So now when you go to OraTop, you run your environment file, or you set up your environment, and then you put in OraTop and your username and password. And as you can see, it's a much more understandable screen there, and you can see there it shows you the CPU load. It gives you all the information, the uptime of the database, which was 1.2 hours. It was up for. It shows you the DB usage there. and it shows, and as you can see, there is nothing running on your database. So this is valuable information you can give back to say that this is nothing running on your database. You can see your DB sequential read, you can see your log file sync, you can see your Oracle thread bootstrap, and it gives you excellent information there as well. Now, which is nice about is I've got other utilities as well. So now I'm typing on my keyboard T, and it gives you the table space information over there, which is brilliant, and to go back to the main menu, you just type in enter. So there is a document which is attached to the Oracle note. Here is the Oracle note over there. And you can see the supported platforms, the versions as well, from release 11G, release 2. And then you can download the OraTop utility there. And there's the OraTop guide, which I have downloaded as well and have read as well. Here's the database monitoring tool. And you can go through the whole utility over there. And there's different scenarios that you can use. So if we go down to the scenarios, here's the different. So, you can, and I use the table space one, so there's different scenarios. So I strongly suggest you go back. That's the table space option I use when I just press T. Go back to your environments, test the utility. It's a lightweight utility. And remember, the more proactive you are, the less reactive you'll need to be. And this will assist you in supporting your Oracle database and make sure it performs to the optimal as well. So that was the live demo. Thank you very much for listening to this short presentation where we take challenges and issues and turn them into opportunities. Do follow my YouTube page and follow me on LinkedIn as well. If you have any challenges that you face in the Oracle stream, in the ERP stream, do contact me and I will try my best to assist you. Thank you. Bye-bye.